Hello, and welcome to a quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you around the notification and automation screen. From the dashboard, you need to go to Company, click on Notification and Automation, and it would route you to the Manage Notification screen. This is where you can turn on the notifications in order for you to receive all the email notifications as the admin. This is where you can turn on the function of adding documents on your dispute letters. You could also turn on some automation for credit score improvement email to the credit score screen and the importer screen. And we do have the one-click print automation with LetterStream, and this is where you can set up or integrate your LetterStream account in order for you to send out letters using LetterStream. We also have training video that will guide you in case you'll get lost into navigation. Then we have the SMS with Twilio. This is where you can set up and connect your software account with Twilio, which is a text messaging platform. We also have training video that will guide you on the setup process and connecting it with the software. Then we have the Zapier Integration, which allows the Client Dispute Manager software to connect to other third-party softwares. We also have training videos that will guide you on the setup process and training video to know more about the integrations. Then we also have the follow-up letter due date change, and you may set up either 30 days, 35, and 40 days. This would allow you to let the software remind you when it's time to do your next follow-up letter for a specific customer. Next we have the on-demand draft check settings, and this is where you can enable the check print feature. And lastly, the change password. This is where you can update your software password. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can manage the notification and automation screen.